To begin, let's go and open up ANSYS. Go to the Windows search bar and type Workbench. Once Workbench opens up, go under Analysis Systems and choose Fluid Flow Fluent. Double-click on Geometry to open up SpaceClaim. Our geometry is a single sphere, so go under Body and choose Sphere. We'll make sure you get snapping to curve center, and then click and drag, hit the spacebar and type 2 meters. Then go ahead and exit SpaceClaim. Double-click on Mesh to open the mesher. For our initial mesh, we will just use a single body sizing. Click on Mesh, make sure you are in the Context tab, go to Sizing, choose the Body Selection filter, and then select our sphere. Click Apply, and then change the element size to 100 millimeters. Make sure your units are correct. Then we'll select our body again and create a name selection, and we'll call this Fluid Domain. Then change to the Face Selection filter, choose the outside face, right-click, create name selection, and we'll call this Outer Boundary. Click Apply. Go ahead and click Update. And then close out of the mesher. If you get a lightning symbol here, make sure that you right-click and choose Update. Let's go ahead and save our project. We'll just give it a suitable name, Diffusion Study, and we'll click Save.